Hello friends, welcome to our channel Civil Student. Friends, as a part of video today, let us discuss some basic definition and interview questions in civil engineering related to geotechnical engineering, foundation engineering and ground improvement technique. Friends, this video is very helpful to learn the basic definitions for interview and to acquire some knowledge. Let us start the video. First question. What is the necessity of pile foundation? Generally, pile foundation is used when subsoil is very weak and loads are very high, and to reduce settlements and to transfer the loads to deeper layers of soil. And also apart from that, to resist horizontal loads and to resist uplift loads, also pile foundation is used. Next one. What are under-reamed piles? In which situation they are used? Generally, under-reamed piles are mostly used in black cotton soil, and its bulb-like structure is there in pile to resist more frictional and to resist more loads by more frictional resistance. Next one. Next question. What is coffer dam? Generally, when we construct a structure in water, the water is to be removed by constructing a coffer dam. Coffer dam is a temporary structure constructed usually in a river or lake or ocean, etc., to keep the working area dry for construction of other structures. Then the water is excavated through dewatering techniques. Now let us come to next one. Define negative skin friction and its effect. Generally, when the soil surrounding a portion of pile shaft settle more than the pile, a downward drags occur on the pile. Generally, when if pile is present in the soil and soil settles more than the pile, so some downward drag is occurred on the pile, so that load carrying capacity of the pile will be decreased. This is called negative skin friction. Now you can see in this photo, the pile is present in the soil and soil is settling more than the pile. So some pressure is exerted by the soil on the pile. Due to this, load carrying capacity of the pile is decreased. Now, what are weep holes? Why are they provided? A weep hole is a small opening present in the retaining wall. Generally, you can see here there are some holes present in the retaining wall, and this is the retaining wall, and these are used to drain water present in the soil that is retained by the retaining wall. Generally, our main intention of retaining wall is to retain soil, not water, else it will exert some extra hydrostatic pressure, so that the thickness of the retaining wall will be increased. Now define soil exploration. The field and laboratory studies carried out for obtaining the necessary information about the soil characteristics, including the position of groundwater table, is termed as soil exploration. Generally, the various the various tests that are conducted as a part of soil investigation? They are specific gravity test, Atterberg limits, and permeability test, and shear strength properties of soil, etc. These are some types which are going to be conducted on soil as a part of soil exploration to know the details and field conditions and characteristics of the soil. Friends, soil exploration is very useful to know the condition of the soil. And now, what are the different types of borings used in soil exploration? Generally, auger boring is used, and auger boring is most effective in clayey soils, and this is not suitable for sandy soils, gravels and boulders, etc. Next one, wash boring. Wash boring is suitable for all types of soil except hard soil or rock. Now let's take a rotary boring, and generally rotary boring is useful for rocks. In case of these are the examples of boring. Now, what is soil stabilization and what are the different types of soil stabilization? Soil stabilization is a process of improving the engineering properties of soil like dry density, shear strength, etc. Types of soil stabilization are mechanical stabilization, chemical stabilization, lime stabilization and cement stabilization. These are the methods used in soil stabilization to increase the engineering properties of soil. Mention different types of ground improvement techniques. Ground improvement techniques is adapted to improve the quality of the ground and engineering properties of the ground. They are electroosmosis, vibroflotation method and terraprobe method, etc. What are geotextiles? Geotextiles means it is used to resist tensile forces in soil, and these are like fibrous substances. They act as reinforcement in soil like steel in concrete. Types of geotextiles are geomembranes, geonets, geogrids and geotubes. And functions of geotextiles are these generally filtrate and erosion control, drainage and reinforcement in soil layers. As you can see now, this is one type of geotextile used in canals as to decrease the infiltration. So now, thank you friends. Subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon for more updates.